Hi everyone, welcome back to Quarantiki. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lei Lani Volcano 2.0. Start by taking a Collins or highball glass. You're going to fill it with 3 ounces of Guava soda. Set this aside. Take a cocktail shaker, fill it with cracked or cubed ice once again, and you'll add 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of cream of coconut, and 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces actually, of blended aged rum. Put the lid on, shake it up, and then you're going to strain pour it. If I can get this open. You're going to strain pour it into the Collins highball glass. Alright, then you'll add more cracked and cubed ice until you fill the glass. Give it a couple stirs, and there you have the Lei Lani Volcano 2.0. That's good.